guys, it's Giovanni Brian Florida. Alright, guys. What's happening? Oh no! Sea level rise! Sea level rise? Oh my god! Alexin, man, did you forget to pay the water bill? I didn't forget to pay the water bill. Is the thing over flooding? No, sea level rise. Our house is barely 5 feet on the sea level. We're literally 3 feet. Oh my god. Because I felt like Georgia. Oh my uraniums! What's happening? Oh my Terrians! Alexin man's house is flooding again. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jeez, that was steaming. Oh no! Sea levels! Oh my gosh! What the hell is this blue stuff? Oh my handles! What the earth? Sea levels are rising over there. Alright. Hey, so what's happening? It's not flooding. Oh no. Oh, at least he's left my house alone. Jeez. That's that's your porch, Alexia, man. My porch? Yes, it's your porch. Who else would it be? Who else would it be? Oh no, not again. Help! Guys! 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 Current is pushing me in! Guys! And it's about to get to that edge there. Oh my god, my yard! Stop worrying. How should I? Why should I stop worrying, Towie? My house is dying. Oh! It flooded it flooded some of the kitchen side. Oh, push this water back in. Push this water back in. And our prison area is drowning as well. Alexin, man, this house isn't. Alexin, man, this house isn't safe for you. But it's the only house which is good. And it has everything. I'm sorry, Alexia, man, but your house. Look at it. Look at the state of it. Look at the state of it, Alexia, man. Look at this huge flooding over here. Look at all this blue stuff. Plus, someone drowned. And Bluey almost drowned. Come on, Alexia, man. This is dangerous. You can drown as well. Ah, Jesus. Someone needs to help to my rescue. My rescue is here. The Palestinian government is here. The Palestinian government is here to wash off everything. So, the house is safe now. It's not safe now, Callisto. Seriously. Yeah, you did help, but now you're putting even more danger for Bluey. The sea levels are getting intense. Oh! Jesus Christ. It's touched the Colosseum straight. Lexi, man, I said this house isn't safe. Now, how are we supposed to clean up all this mess? At least it didn't reach the floor, but... Ah! Is sea level over? Ah! Gluey, you're alive. Ah! Yeah, I'm alive. After all of that, I feel like I had to swim. Gluey, you endangered your life. Oh, Jesus, the Cloutium Strait is broke. Oh no! Sea level rise again! Alexia, man. Yeah? I don't know what to do now. Breaking news! Breaking news! A flood! A flood has been reported. A flood has been reported in Alexia man's house. It is flooding. The, the government, the contestants and the government are trying to do something about it. But his house is saved, but his dropship is flooding, and the Cloutium Strait is almost destroyed. It's almost flooded off. So now, here's the window white box. Here's the window white box. It will push any water which dares to cross through Alexia man's house. Well, that is helping, but sea level rise is going a lot. Thanks to us. Thanks to humans. Humans are destroying the planet. All that water is around. But it's believed to stop by a few seconds. And then, from all the immense pressure, the thing is breaking. And if it breaks, it can seriously damage Alexia man's house. And it might push water even deeper into the Cloutium Strait. Many characters are fearing for Alexia man and his family. This house is getting wrecked. Wow. Ethan, get away! No, I'm so mad. What's going on? Alexian man, why? Why? What the hell is this? Emerald! I'm rich! What the? What's going on? What the earth is going on over here? What are you doing, your own son? That's what I'm saying, really. I'm so sorry, Emily. I never knew. Jesus Christ.
Start the glitter flat. Start.
Don't hurt me. I don't know why. Breaking news! A 9-year-old boy is drowning in the flood. His dad, called Alexin man, has drowned him. After this flood, Alexin man will be arrested for child harassment and child abuse. Getting fun. Getting fun. The canal seems straight. It's flooding. The election man is running. I still hear this irritating noise. Flooding has stopped. Yeah! I can walk now. Yeah! Oh my god. Bye guys, this is Giovanni Brown, Florida. Giovanni Brown, Florida. Question: Have your house been flooded before? Answer now in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye guys.